Hi and welcome, your friends from Superior Transmission Parts, Inc. in Tallahassee, Florida. We have a video series that we're doing here on our new 6L80 products. We have the STL 6L80E kit that Jim Brookshire will highlight for us here in a few minutes. We have the STL 012 pump kit. We also have the STL 018, the new boost valve and sleeve, the no-stick design that we just brought out. And we have the K0146, the quick shim kit that provides 3 sets of shims to the kit. Our STL 010, our SureCool technology cooler flow bypass for 6L80, 6L90, 8L80, 8L90, and 10L90 transmissions. Under $40 part will save a $4,500 transmission. Now we're going to take a moment to join Jim Brookshire out in the shop and highlight some of our products.
Thanks, Bob. I'm going to go over the STL 012 pump kit. Just going to hit the high spots for you. It's a really good kit, easy to install, quick to install. The very first part is going to be the pressure regulator valve with the changes we made on it. We use the good part of the bore. We've made the valve a little longer, so you can use a good part of the bore and not have to bore with a reaming tool. It regulates and steadies line pressure so it's not bouncing all over the gauge like the factory one is. We also have what we call a brownout spring. In case you have zero power going down to your connector and you go max line, it will blow off at 285 so you don't break parts. Also going to hit on the STL 018. It's the new metal boost valve. A lot of times you get wear on the boost valve on the inside where it side loads. We make it right here in USA. It's a factory replacement and the hole's already drilled for the balance on it. It's not something you have to do when you're installing our kit. So we're going to move over to the K0146. A lot of you guys out in the field are turning your pumps down because GM don't have these pumps in stock anymore. Good idea, except a lot of you are leaving out making up for the difference that you've cut off this pump. You got to make that difference up in the in clearance for lube issues and for the fluid passages, fluid to get where it needs to be. So we've come up with a shim kit. There's all different kinds of shims in here. We also, in the instructions, we give you formulas that you can go by. It's really a no-brainer. It's quick, it's easy, and you build a solid unit. Moving on to the last 6L80 product we have, that's the valve body kit. I'll go over a few things with you on it. We have redesigned, re-engineered the compensator valve and the spring that goes in it. This valve is known for hanging and causing delayed engagements. The new valve corrects those issues. This kit also makes it so that you can take any of your valve body and retrofit it to the latest and greatest plate without having to go to GM and buy a new plate. Another feature is that we redesigned the select valves, and we also have O-ring end plugs so you're not losing any fluid at the end of these plugs, which leak very bad from the factory. Those are some of the features of our 6L80 products. We put these products together with builders in mind because we're all former builders. We want to make it quick, easy, and they work the first time so you can go on to your next unit. And now back to Bob White.
Thanks, Jim Brookshire, for showing us those unique Superior products. Again, from your friends at Superior Transmission Parts in Tallahassee, Florida, thank you for joining us today, and thank you for using our American-made products.